Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use shield or transforming shield in operator skill. So what you need to do is click your loadout. As you can see, this is the operator skill that I'm use. Click one of it. This is transforming shield. So not also become or expandable shield. This shield also have a microwave radiation that generates or that shoot from the front, and it causing damage and slowing enemy within the area of the shield. So let's try in gameplay. Welcome to the gameplay. As you can see, my shield is ready. Let's place it in here. As you can see, this is the shield that I spawned, or so the enemy within the area will get slow. So thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click text button below. Enjoy the game.